Hi y'all, it's Regina from Marsh Knitting 101. Welcome in my yarny and crafty friends. Welcome in my family members and new family members. Hopefully everyone is having a fantastic day. I've got a little bit of sun going on, and if you're watching me on Instagram, hello. Welcome into the family. I am jumping on real quick to unbox my monthly subscription from the Spinning Hand. I'm excited to see what is in this box. If you don't know who the Spinning Hand is, she's on Instagram. She has a Etsy and Facebook and YouTube. So I'll link that all in the description box below, so you guys can go on and over and check her out. And I also have a discount code for over the Spinning Hand. It is Marsh Knitting 101. So if y'all are interested in buying some yarn, maybe trying out some different kind of yarn, or just browse around and see what they have, go check it out. But I am excited to see what's inside this box. So it is a monthly subscription. It goes May, June, and July. So this 3-month subscription has ended, so you'll have to wait until August for the next one to open up. And it's about $40 a month, which isn't too bad. So let's see what's inside the box. Y'all ready? I'm excited, and hopefully y'all are having a wonderful day. And what are y'all currently working on? I am currently still working on my commission napkin from Bag O' Day, so hopefully I can get it done. I'm getting there. Alright, y'all ready? I'll wait for this vehicle to pass. So are you all enjoying this beautiful day? I am drinking some tea. Not tea, but coffee right now, and I'll probably be jumping over and getting some water because it's warm out. So here, y'all ready to see what's inside the box? Ooh, oh, look at that. Can you guys see all this goodness? Ooh. Ooh. Oh my. Wow, look at this yarn. Ooh, that is orange. I like it. Ooh, it's so soft. Ooh, it's so pretty. I like this orange. The name of it is Sun River. It's 70% superwash merino, 20% silk, 10% cashmere. It's 437 yards, approximately 3.75 ounces, and it's a 1 super fine. Ooh, that is some orange. That is so pretty. I like that. And it's by Alexander, the Art of Yarn. That is such a cute little logo. I like that. Look at that little sheet. Ooh, that's cute. And it's pretty. So you got a hank of yarn, and it comes with instructions on how to block, which is very useful because I've never really blocked anything until I made my cardigan. And then it comes with this little thing here to join the Facebook group. So subscription group for the monthly box. That's awesome. So you have like a support little line. And then it says on this part here, it says the Generation Shawl Spring 23. So that must be what's in the box, is we're going to be working on a shawl. It says start with the yarn. This luxury kit features a unique colorway from Alexander, the Art of Yarn, over 430 yards in merino blend wool. It's hand-dyed in Silverton, Oregon. The project to inspire you. Designed by Jessica, the Generation Shawl is inspired by a Judaism Vadora. I probably just totally messed that up. I apologize. Which means from generation to generation. And it says if you prefer not to do the shawl, you can make some socks, and they include a pattern for that. So that's pretty cool. And then Notions, a handy access for knitting the needle gauge square from Chow Gu. Lists the US size from 2 to 15 on the side meter size, and other 2-inch corner window allows you to check stitch gauge. And then a treat for you, your kit includes a Rainforest Jasper bracelet. Wow, that's cool. From Sophie and Sage in a shop in Tennessee. Nashville, Tennessee, also known Rainforest Jasper, is to say to stop. I'm not even going to try to even pronounce that. I'm just going to pull this off and you guys can read that. That's a big word. So that's cool. So it comes with your little, like your little welcome notes for you. So right now you got this beautiful hank of orange yarn in the cute little Notion bag. Oh, I love Child-Goo needles. Ooh, and that is a sturdy one. So then you got your, check your gauge swatches. So that's always handy. You can never have too many of these. In the bracelet. Oh, that is so pretty. I don't know if you guys can see it. Maybe put it behind here. But look at that. That is so cute. I love it. I'm going to put it on. That's so cute. That's awesome. I'm excited. So it came in this cute little bag. So you got, so far you got a bracelet, a needle gauge, and one beautiful hank of yarn. Access to Facebook help. And ooh, look at this cute bag. And it's a drawstring with these little, oh, that is so cute. So now you can just hank up your cake, make your yarn into a cake, pop it in, put your needles in, and then you're ready to go. That is so cute. I love that. I like this bag. That's cute. It's soft. I like that. That is so cool. Oh, and here's the pattern. Oh my goodness. That is such a cute shawl too. Look at that. And that would look wonderful in that orange. So this is the lady who designed it. Her name's Jessica. And she is part of the Spinning Hand. And with Carrie. She has Facebook and Instagram. It's called #DoubleStitches. And that is really cute. So it says, as a designer, Jessica was born in Brooklyn, New York, and has made her home in the suburbs of Long Island with her husband and 2 twin boys, who inspired the name Double the Stitches. As a designer and knitter instructor, Jessica is drawn to create patterns that work well for beginner class or patterns to teach new techniques or skills. She survives the design with particular shapes, featuring a touch of texture, creating classic pieces that you will love to make and love to wear. And she's got, like, if you need help, you reach out to help at thespinninghand.com. Let's Be Sociable. You can find her on the community doublethestitches.com, the group. I'd love if you share your photos of your project, tag me on your Instagram and Facebook. So yeah, that is so cute. So thank you, Miss Jessica, for the beautiful pattern for the shawl. I'm kind of excited to see that. And that yarn, that orange will look so pretty. That would be a really cute fall. I think I'm phrasing up a fall shawl, or just something to throw over to go to the fire pit in the summer nights, because sometimes they're cool up here in the mountains. So yeah, so if you all are interested, I will link everything in the description box below. So Miss Carrie and y'all, thank you guys so much for the wonderful box. I can't wait to see what next month's is. Woohoo! So I will see y'all later. Until next time, have a wonderful and blessed day and rock yarn. Bye y'all.